This video was made possible by Farmers Market Singapore, an online butcher that is well known for high-quality meat products that are traceable, sustainable, and affordable. You may visit farmersmarket.com.sg and enter FoodieMommaPH in a discount box on checkout and get 15% off your first order. What's up you guys, Kiliancha here and welcome to another episode of recipe videos with Farmers Market Singapore. Today we're going to be cooking beef rendang. It is believed to have originated in the Minangkabau region in West Sumatra, Indonesia, and has spread all over the country as well as its neighboring countries in Southeast Asia. It is one of my favorite beef dishes. The ones I've tried in Malaysia and Singapore are kind of like on the saucy side, and the ones I've tried in Bali, Indonesia are more dry and more reduced. And that's what we're gonna try to recreate, maybe in between the two versions. And the beef has to be cooked super tender, flavorful, spices, and rich. So let's start cooking the beef rendang right now. We're using 1 kilograms of 100% grass-fed sirloin beef from Farmers Market Singapore. For rendang, we are making bigger cuts as we're gonna cook it until each piece is fork tender. Set aside and prepare the dry spices. We need about 25 pieces dried chilies, 5 pieces cardamom pods, 1 star anise, 8 cloves, 4 cinnamon sticks, and 5 candlenuts. Put everything in a food processor and blend until it looks like a fine powder. Next, we're going to blend these ingredients that I've already chopped. 1/2 cup shallots, 2 inches ginger, 2 inches galangal, 1 whole garlic, 1 stalk lemongrass, bottom white part. Put everything in a blender and add enough water for easier blending. Add in the dry spices with a splash of coconut milk and do the final blending. Look at this beautiful rendang paste. Set aside and we're ready for cooking. Add in some coconut oil and 1/2 cup coconut milk on a wok and cook the rendang paste. Once it thickens, transfer to a pressure cooker. Add 1.5 cups of coconut milk, beef chunks, 2 tablespoons tamarind paste, and sea salt, and cook it for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, add in the kerisik or toasted coconut, 5 pieces kaffir lime leaves, and a touch of Filipino fish sauce to make it more delicious. Let it reduce for a few more minutes so we can achieve a thicker sauce. You may choose not to if you like it more saucy. Once the sauce has reduced, we can now plate the nasi lemak rice, garnish it with red and green chillies. This is my version of beef rendang. Alright, beef rendang is ready to be devoured. This is one of my favorite beef dishes that is made in Asia, specifically in Indonesia. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I'm gonna use my hands. Look at that, guys. Whoa. Let's have it with rice. Unbelievable. I love my beef caldereta, beef mechado, but this one, I'm not saying that it's the best dish all over the world, but it's one of the best, specifically in Indonesia. It's spread all over Southeast Asia. Thank you so much for creating this wonderful dish. Rich, coconutty, spices, not too spicy, and super duper flavorful. If you want to create this recipe, I'm gonna put the information in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And on the next episode, we're gonna cap off this Malaysian, Singaporean, Indonesian series with nasi lemak. See ya on the 4th episode.